in a bustling pond, filled with life and laughter, lived a troupe of dragonflies, their wings a splendid afterthought. They fluttered and danced, in a carefree display. But little did they know, their secret was at play. One day, a wise old turtle, with a knowing, gentle gaze, spoke to the dragonflies, with a curious question he raised. "Why, dear friends, do you flap your wings so wild and free, when nature has given you a gift of engineering decree?" The dragonflies were puzzled, they didn't know what to say, for they had never thought about it in their youthful ballet. So the turtle explained, with patience and grace, "Your wings, my friends, are not just for your play. Each beat, each flutter, each dance in the air is a lesson in aerodynamics, a science beyond compare. Your wings are designed, with precision and art, to generate lift, to soar, to avert the heart." The dragonflies listened, their eyes wide with awe, at the hidden beauty in their wings that they had not saw. They realized then the purpose of their flight, a dance of aerodynamics in the dazzling daylight. From that day on, the dragonflies took flight, with newfound wisdom and a fresh, clear sight. They danced not just for fun, but to learn and evolve, in the beautiful, intricate dance of the wings of a dragonfly, a timeless marvel. Moral asterisk: every action, no matter how small or trivial, holds a purpose beyond our understanding. Embrace the beauty of life's mysteries, and let your actions reflect the wisdom that lies within.